If you're over 50 and thinking about starting YouTube, let me say something most people won't. You are not too late, but you are entering a system-driven game. A few months ago, a gentleman in his early 60s told me he'd been researching YouTube for nearly a year, watching tutorials, taking notes, trying to understand thumbnails, keywords, AI tools. The more he learned, the more complicated it seemed. He wasn't lacking intelligence, he was lacking structure. And that's the real problem most beginners over 50 face. It's not energy, it's not ability, it's not creativity, it's friction. You don't need to move faster than 25-year-olds chasing trends. You need systems that remove the chaos. That's where TubeMagic becomes powerful. Because it doesn't promise hype, it provides process. In this video, I'll walk you through the core features of TubeMagic and show you why, for beginners over 50 starting YouTube, this tool can dramatically simplify the early stages of building a channel. At Money Game AI wants to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50+ to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes and retirement of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video description below to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. YouTube used to reward effort, upload more, work harder, grind longer. But today, the creators winning are not the busiest, they're the most automated. And that's exactly why tools like TubeMagic are changing the game. Let's walk through what actually happens when you try to grow a channel manually. You need a video idea, so you open YouTube, scroll, research competitors, check comments, search keywords. 45 minutes gone. Then you try to figure out whether the topic is even searchable. More time gone. Then comes scripting, blank page, cursor blinking. You tell yourself you'll just outline it. 2 hours later, you've barely started. And that's before titles, descriptions, tags, SEO optimization. You haven't even recorded yet. This is why most creators burn out. Not because they lack talent, because they lack systems. Now imagine this instead. You enter a niche. TubeMagic generates topic ideas with actual potential. You click one. It shows keyword data and competition. You pick the opportunity instead of guessing. Then it writes your script. Structured, engaging, complete. Titles, descriptions, tags, optimized. From chaos to clarity. From manual to machine. Section 1. Idea generation. One of the most dangerous traps on YouTube is guessing. TubeMagic's idea generator eliminates that. Instead of asking, "What should I post?" you ask, "What is already working, and where is the gap?" That shift alone changes your trajectory, because growth comes from leverage, not randomness. Section 2. Keyword research. Most creators pick topics emotionally. TubeMagic gives you data, search volume, competition level, and a proprietary score that helps you identify easier wins. Instead of competing with giants, you position yourself strategically. This is how smaller channels outrank larger ones, not by shouting louder, but by choosing smarter battles. Section 3. AI script writing. Here's where hours disappear in the traditional workflow. Scripting. TubeMagic turns a topic into a structured script in minutes. Introduction, logical flow, engagement hooks, call to action. For faceless channels, this is transformational, because now you're not creating from scratch, you're refining from structure, and refinement is faster than invention. Section 4. SEO optimization. Most creators treat metadata as an afterthought, but YouTube reads titles and descriptions before it reads your effort. TubeMagic generates optimized titles, descriptions, tags designed for discoverability. That's not cosmetic, that's structural. Section 5. Community engagement. Growth doesn't only happen on upload day, it happens between uploads. TubeMagic helps generate community posts and engagement prompts, which keeps your audience warm, which improves click-through, which strengthens algorithm signals. Everything connects. Section 6. Multi-language scaling. Over 95 language support, which means you're not limited to one audience. And in a global platform, reach equals opportunity. Scaling content internationally used to require teams. Now it requires tools. Section 7. Systems versus hustle. Here's the deeper truth. YouTube used to reward raw output. Now it rewards strategic consistency. And strategic consistency requires systems. TubeMagic is not magic. It's structure. And structure compounds. When you remove friction, you publish more. When you publish more, you test more. When you test more, you learn faster. When you learn faster, you grow. That's the flywheel. Positioning. Who this is really for. This is ideal for faceless channel builders, multi-channel operators, busy professionals, creators who want leverage, anyone who values time over manual grind. If you enjoy writing every script manually, this may not be for you. But if your goal is scale, efficiency wins. The amateur asks, how do I get more views? The professional asks, how do I build a repeatable system? Because views fluctuate, systems compound. TubeMagic compresses research, planning, scripting, optimization into minutes instead of hours. That time savings doesn't just reduce stress, it increases output. And increased output increases opportunity, which increases probability. And probability is what successful creators optimize. Not motivation, not inspiration, probability. If you're serious about turning YouTube from a hobby into a machine, if you're building faceless channels, if you want to automate the heavy lifting and focus on execution, then tools like TubeMagic are worth exploring. Stop trading hours for uploads. Start building systems. Because in today's YouTube economy, the creator with the best workflow wins. You can build a YouTube channel without TubeMagic, just like you can build a house without power tools. It will simply take longer, be more frustrating, and increase the chances you stop halfway. TubeMagic doesn't replace your wisdom or life experience. It doesn't replace your message. It simply removes friction. It helps you research faster, plan smarter, create with clarity instead of confusion. And for beginners over 50, that difference is everything. It organizes it. It gives you clarity on what to create, confidence in what to title, direction on what the algorithm is already rewarding. For beginners over 50, that clarity is leverage. If you're serious about building your channel with systems, not stress, I recommend you explore TubeMagic through the link below. Study it, understand it, use it intentionally, because YouTube rewards structured creators. And structure is something experience understands very well. Don't rush, but don't delay endlessly either. The sooner you build with structure, the sooner YouTube starts working for you. And that's the shift that changes everything.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.